Adding a credit card to your Venmo account is a straightforward process that allows you to make payments easily. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture in the top corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Wallet. Tap on this option to view your current payment methods and add new ones. Step 4. Add a credit card. Choose the option to add credit or debit card. Enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your credit card information, tap Save or Done to confirm and add the card to your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully added. Now you can easily use your credit card for transactions on Venmo. Enjoy seamless payments.